Create Studio Ghibli-style AI art, reels, and shorts from just a keyword. Generate fast. Go viral. Sell to clients and monetize content like a pro. Turn ordinary images into masterpieces, instantly transform photos into jaw-dropping Ghibli-style AI art. Go viral as a content creator, generate shorts, reels and TikToks that stop the scroll and explode your reach. Stand out as a digital artist. No art skills? No problem. Let AI help you build a unique artistic identity. Build a brand that people remember, use Ghibli visuals to attract fans, grow trust, and boost visibility. Wow clients and audiences alike, deliver scroll-stopping content that makes people say, "How did you make that?" Monetize the viral Ghibli trend, sell AI art, reels, and shorts on Fiverr, Etsy, or to local businesses. Create multiple income streams, use your creations for merch, marketing, YouTube content, and agency services. Grow your social media on autopilot. Viral-ready content brings likes, shares, saves, and new followers daily. Look like a pro, even as a beginner. AI does the heavy lifting while you take the credit and close high-ticket deals. Have fun while making money. It feels like play, but pays like business.
Turn your ideas into income in minutes. Claim the first mover advantage. This is the next AI boom. Get in before it's saturated and own your niche. Plus, you get a free commercial license, so you can start selling, sharing and profiting from your Ghibli-style creations right away. Turn your AI art into a six-figure income stream by helping creators, marketers and businesses across 100+ niches. No skills or experience needed. Turn dull photos into eye-catching Ghibli-style AI art and viral shorts that get clicks, shares and sales on autopilot. Engage, captivate and go viral with scroll-stopping hand-drawn style animations. No design skills needed. 2. To be eligible to win one of the sales leaderboard prizes, you must have made commissions equal to or greater than the value of the prize. If this criterion is not met, then you will be eligible for the next prize. We will announce the winners on April 25th and prizes will be distributed through Payoneer from April 26th onwards. Dr. Amit Parikh and Atul Parikh have been awarded JVZoo Top Performer of the Year, so you can rest assured about conversions, product quality, and customer service. This is first to market app that turn any image into magical Ghibli style art and viral shorts in seconds. No design skills. No expensive tools. No limits. Just upload, transform, go viral. 100% white label rights, no coding or editing needed. Sell to clients, agencies and local businesses for instant profits money bag. You must read and agree to these affiliate terms before requesting your affiliate link and being a part of this launch. Violation of any of these terms is cause for immediate termination and instant removal from this launch and any other of our launches, current or past, and you agree that your current commissions will be forfeited without recourse and you may be banned from our future launches. Some violations may also be cause for legal actions. 1. All email contacts must be your own opt-in email list. You cannot send to lists that have been purchased or gifted from other vendors, buy solo ads, use safe lists, or obtained by illegal means. Email lists that are not your own are considered spam. 2. You may not create social media pages nor purchase domain names with the product name or brand name, and you may not use the product name or the name of the vendor as your from in your emails, instead of your own name as if you are the product owner. This is impersonation and will not be tolerated. 3. You may not purchase domain name, s, with the same or similar name as the product name or brand name, nor clone or otherwise copy our site and use that site to sell our product as your own. Furthermore, you may not add our product, whether purchased through us or obtained in any other manner, and sell or offer it on any type of membership site where multiple people have access to this product for any kind of fee or arrangement. This constitutes theft of our intellectual property rights and considered fraudulent and is cause for legal actions. 4. You may not encourage nor ask for or show a person how to refund their purchase from another affiliate in order for them to purchase the same product through you. 5. You may not post auto links on review sites because this will lead to confusion and refunds for those people who do not purchase the fay first and end up with no login and no software or main product. 6. You may not use negative campaigns such as "is product name/owner name a scam?" or any other method to attract controversial click-through rates that an ordinary person would deem to portray a negative view of the product. You may not use offensive nor negative domain names. 7. You may not use misleading claims, inaccurate information, or false testimonials, or anything that does not comply with FTC guidelines. 8. You may not use gray hat/black hat marketing practices to drive sales or for any other reason. 9. You may not give cash rebates of any kind as it may increase refund rates. 10. You may not purchase from your own affiliate link. Any self-purchase commission may be nullified or held back. Caution: do not send raw affiliate links. Utilize redirect links in emails and website campaigns instead of your direct affiliate link. This increases conversions for both of us. We run a legitimate business, which means that we always correctly illustrate and represent our products and their features and benefits to the customer.